Yeah, good morning, students. So today we are continuing our first chapter, and that is our environment. And in this chapter, we have already completed or covered, you can say, different topics like component of environments, different domains of Earth. Okay, and in our last video, we have discussed about the natural environment. So only one topic is left, and that is what is ecosystem. So ecosystem means all plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surrounding. What is the meaning of this immediate surrounding? Like we all are living things, okay, and we are depending on the immediate surrounding, what we are getting from the nature and what the nature has provided us. We are depending totally, we are depending on those things, like water we need, air we need for breathe. Okay, so we are depending on those things and we are interdependent on each other. Okay, that is the meaning, and that particular thing makes our ecosystem. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relationship between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and their surrounding. So the relation between the organism, like we all are living organisms and we are depending on our surrounding, which makes an ecosystem. Like for example, if we are taking an example of our places, like where we all are living right now, in villages, in urban areas, or in semi urban areas, what we are doing over there, we are depending on air, we are depending on water, and everything we are getting from the nature. So that makes our ecosystem, which is very helpful or which is required for living organisms. Okay, they could there could be an eco a system of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountain, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. So here all the things which the nature is providing us, all the land masses, all the relief features, they are the part of our ecosystem. Okay, uh, now human environment, it is very important. Okay, human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and became more varied. Humans learn new ways to use and change environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. Earlier, if we are talking about human, they were food gatherers. They were not having permanent settlements. Okay, so they were totally depending on what they were totally depending on nature. But later on, what happened? They started doing agriculture. They settled down at a particular place, and different villages, different cities started emerging. So they started modifying their environment, or you can say their natural environment, according to their need. Okay, the wheel was invented, surplus food was produced, barter system emerged, trade started, and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production, transportation became faster, information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Okay, so these are the different technological advancement which we gain during a long period of time. Okay, transportation, information technological related development. Okay, now what is happening, if we are talking about telecommunication, we all are using mobile phones. So it is also a kind of technological advancement. Okay, have you ever thought why you love eating a juicy watermelon in summer and hot roasted peanuts in winter? A perfect balance is necessary between the nature and human environment. Human must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. Actually, what is happening right now, we are exploiting our nature in excess. So ecological balance is disturbed right now. Okay, global warming is happening, and pollution is raising up day by day. So because the human needs are are raising up, and day by day we are doing technological advancement, we are doing different work in industries. Industrialization is becoming much more faster. So because of that we are just disturbing our natural environment. Okay, so that is all. And now we have completed this chapter, and in our next video we will start continuing our second chapter. Thank you.